Guys, and welcome back to Shannon's Makeup Drawer, and today in this video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on Huda Beauty's Mauve Obsessions. My next favorite shades besides golds and browns to complement my eyes would definitely be mauve-y pinks. And as you can see from this palette right here, there are lots of mauve-y pinks and browns in this palette. For today's look, I went for more of a halo type mauve-y pink smoky eye, which complements my eyes, paired with a matte liquid lip. The dark lip and the mauve-y pinks definitely remind me of like a rock star glam side, which I absolutely love. So if you'd like to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. To start off this look, I'm going to go in with this light brown shade and put this in my crease. Now I'm going to go in with this mauve-y pink and put this shade in my crease as well. Now I'm going to go in with this mauve-y brown shade and put this in my crease too. Next I'm going to go in with this mauve-y magenta shade and buff this into my crease too. And put a little bit in my inner corner. I'm going to take a blending brush and blend all of this out. And by putting the magenta on my outer corner and inner corner, I'm going to create a halo sort of effect with the next shade. I'm going to go back in with this mauve-y pink shade and put this on the middle of my eyelid and blend it out with the darker shade on the outer corners. I'm going to go back in with the darker shade underneath it just to make this darker. Now I'm going to go in with this light pink shimmer shade and put a little bit on my finger, and to create this halo look I'm going to just put it directly in the middle of my eyelid. I'm going to go back in with this mauve-y magenta and smudge this on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with this matte white shade and put this in my inner corner and brow bone. Now I'm going to go in with Desi's Perfect retractable eyeliner in the shade Jet Black and put this all on my waterline. Now I'm going to go in with Rimmel Scandaleyes mascara in the shade Black. And I'm going to coat my top and bottom eyelashes. To finish up this look, I'm going to go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Bittersweet. So that was the final look using Huda Beauty's Mauve Obsession palette. I definitely love this mauve-y pink glam look. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any other suggestions or video ideas at all. I'd love to hear from you. And I'll see you in next Tuesday's video. Bye guys!